Mother Teresa may have needed a wheelchair, but there was nothing frail about her mind or spirit. The 86-year-old met children from Swansea and led prayers at the city's St Joseph's Cathedral. Earlier, she opened her convent, a tiny terraced house, where 4 nuns will live and work with the community.
We need lots of help. As the work will grow, we will need more and more helping. And then we'll have to see if it's necessary here to have a house for AIDS. You know, AIDS is spreading like fire. So if there is anything, something like that, we'll open a house for them to help them to die in peace with God.
Mother Teresa launched her Welsh mission in Swansea because one of her workers in India came from Bury Port. People today said her presence brought hope to an area fraught with crime and unemployment.
I think it's wonderful that she has come to Swansea. I think she's going to bring a lot of faith back into the community that we need.
Mother Teresa's nuns say they'll help anyone who needs them, from the sick to the lonely and the homeless. Organisations already working with homelessness in Wales welcome Mother Teresa's visit. The Swansea Cyrenians are struggling for funds. Shelter Cymru receives 2,000 calls a year from people in Swansea alone. But they emphasise that practical help will still be needed long after Mother Teresa has left.